Withdrawals are paid daily on investors' request. Making withdrawals is quite easy and partly automated for cryptocurrency withdrawals. However, the primary currency for withdrawal is Bitcoin. Investors can as well withdraw using other currencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dash, Perfect Money or Payer, but such investors must have deposited same or more of such amount using their preferred withdrawal currency. Also, you must have set the withdrawal address, account for the currency you choose to withdraw with. Withdrawals are free. However, payment gateways charge network transactions fees which will be deducted from your withdrawal balance. Note, the minimum allowed withdrawal is $5 and the maximum is $150,000. To make withdrawal, log into your account. Then on the left menu in your account click Withdraw Fund. As a security measure, you will be required to draw your security pattern. Once your security pattern matches, you will be redirected to the next page. Enter the amount to withdraw in dollars, select currency and submit. Once your withdrawal is submitted, it will be queued for processing and verification. Once verified, payment will be sent to your registered address, account. To see your withdrawal requests, on the right menu click on My Withdrawals. If you have any difficulty or challenges making withdrawals, kindly contact support. On the right menu, click Support button to contact support.